Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to manage meetings in Academy. To get started, go to the courses page and open the Meetings and ILT section in the left panel. In this section, the admin can view all meetings, past ones with all details, as well as upcoming scheduling ones. There is also a meeting schedule calendar to help you easily track all events. In the calendar, you can use filters to show all events, filter by team, or filter by a specific learner. To create a new meetings, click the Create New Meetings button. In the window that opens, fill in all the required information: meeting name, description, date and time, and duration. Next, select the meeting time, online or offline. If you select an online meetings, add the URL address of the platform when the meetings will take place, and choose when the join button should be appear, always or before and minutes before the meetings. If you select an offline meetings, just choose location where the meetings will take place. Then define who the meetings is assigned to, for everyone or for specific users. If the meetings is intended only for selected users, you need to specify the team or select individual learners. Once all information is filled in, click Create. The new scheduled meetings will then appear in the general list of meetings. Learners can view their meetings in the Meetings and ILT section. There they will find all information about upcoming events and a detailed description of each one. They will also be able to add meetings to their Google Calendar or another one using the corresponding button. I hope this helps and good luck with your Academy!